Okay, today's video is a bit different. A portable 37-inch FPV monitor in the boot of the car. For this I'm using a Bestec 300 watt pure sine wave inverter, and just last night I had delivered by Amazon the battery clamps for the inverter. Okay, so we've got the Phantom set up, all turned on. I haven't actually switched it on yet, so this is the big test to see if anything blows up. Okay, I've got the engine running so I don't flatten the battery. So let's do it. Got a green light. Initial power up looking good. Oh, we've got a standby light. Power on. I said power on. Try that. I think the batteries might be flat in the remote. Oh, here we go. Boom, and there it is. Oh yes. There we go. It's got a bit of flight telemetry on there as well. Vertical speed, horizontal speed, altitude, distance, height. Oh yes, I am impressed. I think it might need a bit of brightness. that is spot on. That looks good. Oh, I'm pleased with that. So I'm flying a Phantom at the meet. Anybody coming along will be able to watch a bit of FPV on the screen in the back. One downside to it is because of the adapter and the extremely heavy cable, and you have to fly with a controller on a table. That's not a problem. So 37-inch kind of portable FPV monitor. Can't wait for the meet.